Hello and welcome to Video Revealed. I'm Colin Smith. You got your wish. All the people who don't like the import mode, you can now bypass the import mode. All right, this is a testament to Adobe listening to you, the people out there who said they didn't like the import mode. Where you have to look, even if you didn't want to import anything from the import mode, you still have to look at it and load it. Now you can get past that. So now when you open up a new project, you get fewer options and you can jump right into an edit. Let's have a look. So when I create a new project with my big blue new project button up here, this is the new project dialog box that pops up. And you can see down at the bottom, skip import mode. Pretty simple. I'm going to name this my new project. Of course, you should put this into a location. And if you're happy with this, then you just hit create. But I do want to show you the couple other options. Templates, if you're not used to templates, you can create your own templates, add templates. What is a template? It's basically a project. So my show, when I start it, I create a new project and I load my template. It includes the opening graphics that you saw at the beginning, the ending graphics and credits, all of that stuff, the bug that's in the corner floating along here, and anything else I reuse over and over again in my project. You just save it as a template in the file menu and now it shows up in here. Pretty cool. Down near the create button is this little gear. If you click on this, these are all the same project settings you can get from the file menu. You don't have to come in here, but if you like to change these setups, for instance, what's the renderer, what color settings are you using, this is the more important one, the scratch disks. And I always keep these same as project. This is where you'll create all of the previews, renders, all of those kinds of things, your motion graphics templates, and ingest settings if you are using things like proxies. So you can set that up. Now, once you've got this done, if you hit create, then now you're in here with nothing open. So it's a blank project and you are ready to go. At this point, you can just go to the file menu and import. You can drag and drop, which I don't advise. I think you should either use the import mode or the media browser. So I'm going to go to a different workspace. I'm going to go to the Essentials workspace and double click and reset that. And if you click on import media, then it's like hitting the import dialog box. Or go back to import in here, and this is the import mode that I was talking about. This is what you had to see before to bring in to start a project. There's also in the window menu, the media browser that shows up, and here is where you'll see all of your clips that you can bring in. Right click on a clip, import it in, drag it to the timeline. Boy, I love corgis. And we can start our project that way. So it's a little thing, but it obviously drove enough people crazy that Adobe completely changed their whole methodology by giving you that option to not look at the import mode. Will I still look at the import mode? I don't know. Honestly, I'm with this new thing, what I ended up doing was, oh, I'll just bypass it. And then within a second, oh, I should import some stuff. And then I go to the import mode. So I don't know, we'll see. You find out if you like it or if you need that import or you're importing stuff differently. And Adobe has plans, by the way, of the import mode saving the folder structure. So if you don't like the import mode because it doesn't save the folder structure, but file import does and media browser does, it's coming. Hey, if you're new to Video Revealed and you found this informative, take a moment and subscribe. You want to support us more, you can do that on VideoRevealed.com/shop. donate once or monthly. Thanks to all of our wonderful donors who do support us. Lots of free stuff you can download from VideoRevealed.com. Till next time, I'm Colin Smith, and it's my job to let you know that you're being heard by Adobe.